and equal. Bam! I made $1,999 during my 4th month in business. So literally $1 under $2,000. So what is that, like $500 a week? Pretty good side hustle if you ask me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie and I am the author of Cricketer.com. I'm here to show you guys how you can make money doing what you love. Crafting from home with your Cricut machine. Do you like working in your pajamas? Do you like working with your kids glued to your lap? Well, this is a job for you. Who's weird?
Yeah.
You're weird.
No,
Alright, if you're just gonna burp and fart, then get out of here. I'm gonna put this in my video.
No.
I'm gonna show people how I'm trying to film, and you come burping and farting on my lap. How about that?
Well, I got off your lap.
True. Burping and farting next to me. Do you guys like seeing videos like these? If you do, like this video, comment below, ring that bell, and subscribe to my channel. Is that your bell?
Yes.
There we go. And ring that bell. Bell of Liberty.
Bells sound like
That's it, it's going in the video. So here we are in my Excel spreadsheet. The first thing that I sold in December was 2 dog collars for $35. So these are the dog collars that I was selling around Christmas time. I was selling them personalized. This was a custom order, so they wanted it to say naughty and nice instead of the dog's name, but here's one that I sold with the dog's name on it. I sold several of these. The ones with the pom-pom I had gotten from Bed Bath & Beyond on their website, and then the ones with the bell I got from Amazon. Here's my puppy Maddie sporting one of the beautiful Christmas bandanas. The second thing on my list is before and after school wine glasses. These were sold as a set. It's one coffee mug that says before school and one wine glass that says after school. These were really popular. I sold a ton of these. They're great for teachers around Christmas time, also end of the year teacher gifts. This is what they looked like before school, after school. I like to get these little 4-pack of mini wine glasses, and that's how I would take my pictures. I thought it looked cute. I said teacher wine glass gift set, excludes the wine, $12, hand wash only. Next I have a couple elves. At the time it looks like I was selling them for $6 a piece. I did drop my price to $5 a piece. I know that I've talked about a lot of these projects in some of my past videos. These are what my best sellers were, so that's what I was selling. These are the elves. I had Santa's Helper, Merry Christmas. Sometimes I would do like My First Christmas, personalized. When I first started them, I was doing the year, but I stopped doing the year because a lot of people use them for elf on shelves, and I wanted them to be reusable year after year. So I wouldn't put the date on the foot. The elf cams were also a super cute add-on, $5. I sold more of those unicorns that I talked about. These were very popular. Some dog mama wine glasses. Here we go. 4 oven mitt sets. So I sold a lot of these oven mitt sets. These were one of my most popular things in December. You can see so many of these. All these $10 things are those oven mitt sets. So we have thanks for making me one smart cookie, trying to earn brownie points, grandma's never run out of kisses or cookies, don't be afraid to take whisks, it takes a big heart to shape little minds, how sweet it is to be taught by you. So many different ones, they're really cute. I started making some for dance teachers. I had some for bus drivers that said thanks for the sweet ride. Had some Trump wine glasses. Made $32 selling 4 of those wine glasses. That was a good flip. It's always good to sell things that are in season or trending. A couple more dog wine glasses. Elf. At the time I was selling my wine glasses for $8 a piece. Over time I dropped the price to about $5 a piece. In the beginning, I didn't really know how to price my items, and I think that I was definitely overpricing things, like with my elves being $6 instead of $5, and my wine glasses being $8 instead of $5. $8 isn't totally unreasonable because if you go on Etsy, they are priced a lot higher, but those sellers also have to take into account the shipping. Sometimes they'll charge more for the wine glass, but they'll put it with free shipping. So we have all of these oven mitt sets. These are all wine glasses, elf, the before school, after school set. This is when I started selling my tile signs. If you haven't seen those yet, I have a video tutorial on my YouTube channel about how to make cheap and easy wood tile signs. No cutting, no sanding, no staining. It's just vinyl on a floor tile. They look really good though, and they sold great. I started selling those for $25, and then I upped my price to $35 as it got closer to Christmas. This is what my first wood tile sign looked like. Then as my skills improved, I started adding embellishments like ribbon or bows. I thought this one was just so beautiful. I love it. I made one for my father-in-law. It said, Papa Joe's Workshop. If Papa can't fix it, we're screwed. I also use those same wood tiles to make art signs for kids. My kids always come home from school with arts and crafts, so I loved having these on my walls to hang up their projects. This was them hanging in my kitchen. Sierra's masterpieces, and look what Barrett made. And here's some other examples of wood tile signs that I've made. Grandkids make life grand, last name with family names, this is us. They're really, really pretty. They measure 6 inches by 23.5 inches. And you can get them at Home Depot. They only cost like $1.93 to make. So if you want to learn how to make those, check it out on my YouTube channel. I sold more of those monogram frames. If you haven't seen in my other videos, these are from Michaels. This one cost about $6. It's made with Oracle 651 vinyl. The design is a split monogram. If you go to creativefabrica.com and type in split monogram, you can find a ton of designs. I also use that same design on toss pillows. This month I had a big order of elephants. Somebody got 8 elephants. I think that was the month that somebody was having a baby shower and they were using them as table centerpieces. These are the elephants that were for the baby shower. They had blue balloons that were attached to the elephants. This sun was made with glitter vinyl and it looked so much sparklier and prettier in person. So that was a great order for me to get. That was a lot of money that I made. We have more dog wine glasses, some cookie sets, a couple more elephants, more of those before school, after school teacher sets, oven mitts, elephants, elves, unicorns, elephants. This was a custom order for tumblers, so like those stainless steel coffee mugs. I charged them $20 a piece, so $40 for the 2. Looks like some more Dog Mama wine glasses, except these ones were personalized, so I charged an extra $2. Some more custom wine glasses because Patience and another Dog Mama, so $10 a piece for the glasses. These were more of those wood tile signs when I had upped the price to $35. This one was for my friend, so I gave her a bit of a discount. I did that one for $30. A couple more of those monogram frames. I feel a little bit repetitive because I've talked about many of these items in the past, but this is what I sold. This is what worked good in my shop, especially around Christmas time. So basically, oven mitts, elves, monogram frames, wine glasses, coffee mugs, stuffed animals. See, I have some more coffee cups, more of those tile signs for $35. These were a big money maker for me. Like I said, they only cost like $1.93 for the wood tile plus the vinyl, so probably under $3 total. And I was flipping them for $35 a piece, so huge profits to be made. I sold 3 unicorn cats, $25 a piece. These are the cute little unicorn kitties. They're from Five Below. Another wood tile sign. I don't know why my prices are kind of all over the place. Like I said, this was 3 years ago. Sometimes if I was making things for family or friends, I would charge them less. I was also switching my prices around a lot because I just was new and I didn't know what I was doing. Like this wine glass I only charged $5 for, so I think that's around when I had dropped my prices. Some more coffee mugs, another elephant. I started selling some stockings around this time, so I sold 2 for $30. These are the stockings that I was selling. They're personalized elf stockings. I got these on Amazon. I think they're so cute. They're a really big size. You can fit a lot of stuff in them. I said, so cute, personalized elf stockings. Get one for the whole family, $15. This is a mock-up that I had made by taking a picture right from Amazon, and then I just photoshopped it to have the names on it. I really wanted this set for myself, so I bought the 6-pack. I did Mom, Dad, Sierra Barrett, and then I sold the other 2 that was on my Excel spreadsheet. I had another huge order of 14 elephants for $350. More elves, another monogram frame, and 3 more monogram frames. So that wraps up everything that I sold in December. This was a really busy month for me. It was a month before Christmas, so people were doing a lot of shopping. So let's total up everything that I sold in the month of December. So we do equals, sum, parentheses. Thank you to my wonderful husband for teaching me how to do quick math in Excel. Highlight them all. Close the parenthesis and equal. Bam! I made $1,999 during my 4th month in business. So literally $1 under $2,000. Like $500 a week. I got to do this while being in my pajamas from the comfort of my home with my kids. The only time that I could work was when they were sleeping though. So I stayed up really late almost every single night. It was stressful and exhausting, but I got through it. I made some good money. And you can see every month I grew my business a little more than the last month. The projects didn't always change, but the quantities did. In this last month, I brought in the new project, which was the wood tile signs. Those were a great seller. I made a lot of money with those. My elephants have always been my number one.
So what you filming today?
So that wraps up this video, guys. What do we ask our friends to do? Like this video, comment below, ring that bell, and subscribe to my channel.